Hello friends, I'm Dr. Saurabh Arora, and in today's talk we are going to discuss the translational value of one of the research study which I came across few days back. This study was published in the year 2018 in the Complementary and Integrative Medicine journal, and this study was to assess the effectiveness of the two important homeopathic remedies, Belladonna and Pyrogenium. Now these two remedies are commonly used in our day-to-day practice and we use them for various conditions including fever. But what was the need of this study? The need was research. The need was to show their effectiveness equally in the in vivo model. So the study team undertook the research in rabbits. They induced the fevers in rabbit using the Baker yeast model, and they started giving the 201,000 potency of each of Belladonna and Pyrogenium to different groups, comparing with the negative controls. Now, since this study had controls, and especially the negative controls, this was a randomized controlled trial. Pyrogenium in both the potencies significantly reduced the fever in rabbits when compared to the negative controls. There were effects with Belladonna, but not that much which were found with the Pyrogenium 201,000 potency. So the study concluded that Pyrogenium possesses marked antipyretic activity in the rabbit's Baker yeast fever model. Now, why this is important? This is important because it gives us the confidence. It gives us an evidence that homeopathy is a plausible science. It is not only used in clinical setting with patient-reported betterment, but it is also equally effective when it comes to the lab models or the experimental models. So when we talk of research, it is the support, it is the backbone of homeopathy. So when something is stamped with the research, it gives us more confidence, more importance, and more importantly, it gives homeopathy a credibility. So in this series of translational value understanding of the research study, we usually take one study, understand it from the translational value point of view, and present it to our readers. So we'll meet again with one more study with one more translation value. Till then, stay tuned.